Hey loves! Today I'm going to show you how to achieve that flawless, blurred, soft focus, airbrushed complexion that literally looks like a beauty filter in real life. This routine is perfect for all skin types and can be done with affordable or luxury products depending on your budget. Let me know in the comments which blurring product is your holy grail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty secrets. Let's begin. Step 1. Skin prep, the real blurring trick. A blurred base always starts with hydrated skin. If your skin isn't prepped, makeup tends to cling to dry patches and settle into fine lines. The CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is a drugstore gem. It's lightweight but loaded with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which restore the skin barrier and pull moisture into the skin. This makes your complexion plump, smooth, and ready for foundation. Step 2. Blurring primer. The primer step is crucial for creating that soft focus effect. The e.l.f. poreless putty. Primer is a true drugstore hero. It has a balm-like consistency that fills in pores and fine lines while keeping skin hydrated with squalane. It's often compared to luxury primers for a fraction of the price. Step 3. Foundation, soft focus finish. The foundation you choose will determine how skin-like and blurred your base looks. The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is perfect if you want an affordable option. It's breathable, long-wearing, and offers medium to full coverage without looking heavy. It contains oxygen technology that keeps it feeling lightweight while resisting sweat and humidity, making it great for everyday wear. Step 4. Concealer, strategic brightening. Concealer should enhance, not cake up. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer is a cult favorite because of its lightweight, creamy texture and built-in sponge applicator. It blends out seamlessly, brightens dark circles, and doesn't settle heavily into fine lines, making it ideal for an airbrushed under-eye look. Step 5. Setting powder, the blur maker. For a luxury upgrade, the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder is one of the most famous powders in the world. It blurs pores, smooths fine lines, and locks foundation for up to 12 hours. Its ultra-lightweight formula creates a soft focus finish without looking powdery, which is why it's a go-to for brides, red carpet looks, and everyday glam. Step 6. Blurring bronzer and blush. Adding color back to the face is key, but you want products that don't emphasize texture. The Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso is a drugstore icon. It's finely milled, has a natural sheen, and melts into the skin, giving cheeks a radiant flush without looking chalky. Its baked formula also makes it easy to blend. Step 7. Setting spray, melt it all together. The last step is fusing everything together with setting spray. The NARS Matte Finish Setting Spray is affordable and reliable, helping to control oil while keeping your makeup in place for hours. It also slightly softens the powdery look, leaving a more natural blurred finish.